Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas for older women. If you want a hairstyle that looks beautiful, is easy to manage and saves time every day, then this video is for you. As we get older, many women want a haircut that is simple, stylish and comfortable. The good news is that there are many great options that look amazing without needing a lot of styling. Let's get started. The first haircut is the classic pixie cut. This short hairstyle is one of the easiest to care for. It dries quickly, needs very little styling and always looks neat. You can simply brush it into place and you are ready to go. It is also a great choice for women with fine or thinning hair because it adds a fresh and modern look. The second idea is the layered bob. A bob with soft layers gives your hair movement and makes it look fuller. It works well with straight, wavy or slightly curly hair. You only need a quick blow dry or let it air dry for a natural style. Another popular choice is the textured crop. This haircut has soft layers that create volume and makes the hair look thicker. A small amount of styling cream is enough to keep it looking beautiful all day. If you like medium length hair, try a shoulder length layered cut. This hairstyle is easy to brush, simple to style and gives you many options. You can leave it close, tight back or add soft waves for special occasions. When women with natural curls choose layered curly haircut, layers help reduce extra weight and allows curls to look more defined. Using a curl cream after washing is often all you need. For women with grey or silver hair, a soft feathered haircut is another wonderful option. The light layers frame the face and give a soft, elegant appearance. This style looks beautiful with natural grey hair and needs very little daily effort. If your hair is thin, ask your hairstylist for short layers. Layers create the illusion of thicker hair and add natural volume without much styling. Here are few simple tips for care hair. Trim your hair every 6 to 8 weeks. Use a gentle shampoo and conditioner. Avoid too much heat styling. Let your hair air dry whenever possible. Use a lightweight styling product for extra volume and shine. Remember, the best haircut is one that makes you feel confident and comfortable. Choose a style that match your lifestyle and hair type. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.